So, welcome to my channel. I hope you can see something. Do you see something? I hope you can see something, I think. Let's start. I wait. Give me a little time. The shit YouTube is not working. So, you can see, do you know this woman? Welcome to my channel. This is a live stream. We will look here some facts, hard facts, naked facts. Yeah, I see an old woman. That's good. Do you know who is this old woman? This is Mrs. Yellen. Why I show you Mrs. Yellen? Yeah, today Mrs. Yellen speak that she was wrong about the path that inflation would take. Blah blah blah. So you can let's look what she say to us. Let's look. I hope this is working. Give me a little time. So we start.
I think I was wrong then about the path that inflation would take. As I mentioned, there have been unanticipated and large shocks to the economy that have boosted energy and food prices and supply bottlenecks that have affected our economy badly that I didn't, at the time, didn't fully understand.
So do you hear what she said? I see a dinosaur. Okay, good. do you hear? Do you listen this woman? Do you hear everything what she said? Yes. You have to give me a feedback so that I can give you a feedback that what I think. So I think many of you heard what she said. In my eyes, this is a pure lie what she said. Look,
I think I was wrong then about the path that inflation would take. As I mentioned, there have been unanticipated.
she's lying in my eyes, yeah. And you can hear what she said, yeah, what she say here, and this is in my eyes pure lie. If you look to the inflation chart, let's look to the inflation chart. I adjust a little bit that you can see something. So we're looking now to the inflation chart. These are 70 years inflation in US. So, so I hope you can see the chart of inflation, and this show us. Make a little bit more. So I hope you can read the numbers here. This is an inflation chart from 1960 to today, and I show you why she is lying. Yeah, from the chart technical point. So you can see this chart begins here at the 1980, 1960. Here you can see this. Inflation was here at 12, 14%. Then the inflation is going to the downside. So I analyze charts. Yeah, if I look to the charts, then a horrible inflation is coming to US. But they tell you the lie. They lying, yeah, because they know how this chart is working. And you can see we test this level here, we test this level here, and we test this level here. Yeah. If you make here a line, then you can see we test this 4% area very much. So, and if you see, we are above these two lines here. We have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and the inflation or will go here to the next level is here 6-8% in the US. In Germany, we have now 7.8, yeah, nearly 8%. So this inflation is coming to US, yeah, but they know this, I think, 10 years before, yeah, but they lying the population. And the inflation is coming to these levels, especially if you look here to this area, yeah, 60, 90, 70, 90, 80, we built here a big hammer. And this big hammer is a sign, or for us, from a technical point of view, that we will receive this level or higher again. Yeah, this is the benefit of technical analysis. You understand what's happening here. So, and you can see we have here clear structure to the upside here. The structure begins here and goes to this level. So this level is nearly 14-15%. So we get here in the US in near term a hyperinflation. And now, what that means for Bitcoin. Understand? I read the chat and I make then change to Bitcoin. So I say to you this again that you understand this. So a hyperinflation is coming to US, but the population don't know this. Yeah, they have no idea. They have no ideas how this working here. So that we can say, okay, these structures break to the upside, and the left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation wait for us. And here we have a good uptrend. So we can say, okay, in the 1-2 year, 3 years, 4 years, a really big inflation is coming. And the big inflation is one of the reasons why Bitcoin will go here to the upside. Let's look here to the Bitcoin price, or better, let's look to the video analyze from yesterday, what I said to you. Yeah. So we're looking here to the analyze the live stream from yesterday. Please open your eyes and look to this chart. Especially, please look. This is the video analyze from yesterday. Look, the price is going here to the downside, and I'll analyze this, going to the upside and fall. Yeah, and let's look to the live chart of Bitcoin. What's happening here? What you can see. I let this here so that you can see. So please look to the chart. So we switch back. Do you see this? We're falling here to the downside. We're falling here to the downside. Or I can give you here that you understand really what I predict. Hard and naked charts. Look, we fall here to the downside. I predict this yesterday. We're falling to the downside. Now, 100% correct prediction. Now, we're going here to the upside. We're going to the upside. We crash. We crash. You can see what I predict yesterday. Every 3 steps are right. 1000% correct. Yeah, and I'm not talking here. If I draw here something lines or something like that, um, many of the people say or haters say, yeah, these are random lines. Yeah, why you make your random lines? Fuck you. these are these are lines that has his reason why I drawn this. Look here, going here to the downside, going here to the downside, going here to the upside, going here to the upside, going to the downside, and going to the downside. You can see how exactly I predict. That's the reason why you should the memberships, because in the memberships I predict you what will happen the end target. Yeah, I hope you understand now. And that's the reason why you share the videos and push the channel here, because the Moon Boys have 500,000 subscribers. They predict you a shit, and here you can get, you get here the really good prediction here: upside, downside, upside, downside, downside, upside, downside, and 100% sure and 100% correct. And that's the reason why you have to stay here. Yeah. So we're looking here to the next step. The prediction from yesterday was right. In which direction we will go here at the Bitcoin price? Let's look. Yeah. So for me, it's clear. I said to you yesterday, let's look to the video that you understand what I said to you. Let me look. Okay, I draw this. Then I said to you, we have here two possibilities. So you can see the prices break here down, and now we are staying here at these levels. Look, I predict this to you yesterday, and I said we will make here retest, and the retest is coming. So I would say that we will, let me look. I have not yet analyzed this, but we analyze this very live and very um, naked. Yeah, not blah blah. So for me, it's clear. You can see this is the uptrend, and the uptrend is clear broke. We will make here blah blah, yeah, formations, and then the next downtrend is coming, and then it's getting worse because you can see here we already test this level. Let me look, 1, 2, 3, and this here will not hold. We will smash here to the downside, and now I understand the Fed meeting is here at 13th of June, yes, June, and we have here a little bit place to the downside, yeah. So I think we will make here this year, yeah. More sideways movement, a huge left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and the price will go here at 22 of June. Why 22 of June? Because the Fed won't protect himself, yeah. They want not coming in the market, and they want blind the people. Yeah, if they coming here at 13th of June and say announce something, yeah, then the people would hate Fed and blah blah. Yeah, so they announced this, and so I observe 10 days or 5 days or 7 days later, the market is crashing. So I think for me, it's 2 days important: the 13th of June and maybe the 19, 20, 21, and 22 of June. Yeah, makes sense if you look here to the structure. We already fall here, so I think if we make here a retest, more aggressive. Yeah, you can see double top. This will here smash to the downside, and if this coming true, you can forget the Bitcoin price. The price will smash here to the downside. We will get here a huge fall here to the downside, and the next target is 20,000. But you have to keep in your mind, we are not in an uptrend. This is the last. This is the last possibility here. Yeah, if we not break here out, if this not happening here like this, yeah, if this not happening like this, then you can forget. Yeah, especially here the move. If we get here an outbreak, then I would wait, And look what happens here. And if you're landing at 26,000, then it's getting hot, because from this point we have a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. So if you see this, then you can see this. If you not see this, if you break here down like this, then we will see the 20,000. So I look to the chat. I give you here very big informations. So you can never find this information in the another channels. The another channels are, yeah, what I can say, they are no experience. Yeah. So we're looking here what you say to me. High inflation is coming, and that's the reason why. Good question. I forgot this. I show at the beginning of the video that we will get here high inflation in the US, yeah, and high inflation will cause that we will get here a really big bull run. Yeah, the reason is because the people, they not trust then the dollar and the euro, and will take their money in Bitcoin and such gold and silver. Yeah, and this is the preparation for this. If you see this, yeah, let's look. I adjust. Please tell me that I have to adjust my screen here. So, and this tell us here something big is coming. The walls and the big banksters or gangsters prepare with a big hammer a downtrend, and this will load or unload here at this level. So you will see that the price of Bitcoin will go, let me look, will go like this very high to the upside. Yeah. So people who make technical analysis, they know this information already. We have here huge formation, and we will break here out. And the interesting thing is, um, if this happening until 2026 or something like that, then Bitcoin has here two possibilities. Yeah, if you make this downtrend upside, then everything is over. But if we can break this, then we could go here to 150,000. This is not clear at the moment. Important for us is here that we come from this here, yeah, from this channel out to this channel. So I look to the chat so that we can make here 1, 2 cryptos. Yeah, let's look. Why not crashing before? Even better for the Fed. Um, the market is at the moment at the crashing. Yeah, because nobody see this. They think we are in a bull market. No, the market is crashing, but it happens slow. Yeah, nobody see this, but we are clear in a downtrend here. So the market is crashing since, let me look, since November. Yeah, we have now June. Over 7 months, the market is crashing to the downside. Yeah, and the interesting thing is, many of the people think, yeah, I make here example 7 months, but if you want to take this correctly, then we are since April 2021 in a bear market. Yeah, that's the, how can I say, a worst thing here. Yeah. So we're looking here to some good cryptos. Yes, you said the question is we will go to 10,000. Yes, my prediction is first 16,000, and at 16,000 we have to look. Why 16,000? Do you ask this question to you? The reason is from this level here. This was 16,000. Yeah, 14 to 16,000. This was the neckline. We broke this in the past, and you can see we go here very hard to the upside. And that's the reason why I said to say to you this. This is the neckline. We have to go here to the neckline back, and then we have to look. Yeah, if you have energy to stay here on the neckline, everything is okay. But if the neckline breaks, yeah, then you can see the next target is 9,000. Yeah. So, 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 so. So I think if you have questions, you can tell me this. So I see few people in the chat. One question is, what do you think about Croatia changing to euro? Uh, they have no alternatives. I think the people or the governments make a lot of debt, yeah, and I think they want not stay alone, yeah. If the ship is sinking, yeah, then everybody is going down. That's the reason why they change. Yeah. Which altcoin will survive? I think the classic, yeah, like XRP, Solana, AVAX, Avalanche, yeah, the big companies will survive. Yeah. Um, Today I listened the Cardano boss, yeah, and he say the same thing what I say every time, yeah, that the big millionaires and billionaires and gangsters and so on create a surrounding where they get the money, and the people who have normal people, they lose money, yeah, and that's at the moment the game, yeah, and you have to wake up at the moment now. They lying to you, they lying to you, yeah, and that's the, how can I say, the sad thing. Many of the people, I show you the Yellen, yeah, and she say I was wrong and blah and blah. You create the economy. Why? How is this possible that you not know what is going on? Yeah, and that's the fact. Also here, the Bitcoin price. Yeah, they lying about the Bitcoin price and press the price to the downside. Generate here fake fail outs like Luna. Yeah, and create here the surrounding. But I think they will press the price to the downside, and then the price of Bitcoin will go here to the upside, because from the technical point of view, it makes no sense to press this, yeah, especially if you look here to the whole chart here, then it's never possible. Yeah, we can press the price below 10,000, but it is never possible that Bitcoin is going below the 3,500. Yeah. And if this happening, you can see we test these levels on March here, then Bitcoin is getting stronger. And that means if somebody is going from 70,000 to, let's say, 5,000, this is a difference of 65,000, then the next target is what I said to you here, 140,000. Yeah. This information we know at this moment. So, Quinty, I think we made yesterday. So Quinty is very good. I There's no financial advice, but Quinty is one of the hot crypto. If this project is not dead, yeah, um, see a lot of potential from this Quinty. But Quinty is not the only project. Yeah, if something goes from $77 to 400, yeah. My first project is Ethereum. Yeah, if you get here Ethereum very cheap, yeah, this is a gift for you here. This is expensive, yes, but you can see we had I think we could get Ethereum to these levels 300, 400, 700, 800. Yeah, because we have here construct is very low here the base. So, but the benefit what we could get from Ethereum is huge. Yeah, yeah, huge. In the end of the day, we will see something like that here. This over 10,000, 12,000. I explain you the reason. We're not talking about blah blah here. This is hard facts. This is not financial advice. It's only experience. Look, the 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 good thing here is that we have or generate here a huge how can I say this? A hammer. Yeah, this is a really perfect hammer what we have here. And if you see something like that, yes, short term negative, we will fail. We will go here to the downside. Everybody will lose their money. But if we are out of this channel here, the next move is in direction of 4,000. So huge opportunities wait for us. Yeah. But this is no financial advice. This is only what I think and what I see. Let's look to Queen T. So we're looking here. That is good. One subscriber say to me, now this is what I'm waiting to hear. Ethereum 500. I say to you the naked true. Yeah. So if you want her something different, then you can go to the Mom Joy channel. But I think you are here right at my channel. Yeah, I give you the right information. I have no how can I interest to lying here because make no sense. I'm not the person like this. Yes, the last question is here very important. One subscriber say here, could the government take the money back, yeah, or from the cryptos? Yes, it is possible because in the history they forbid gold, yeah, the governments. So it is possible if the inflation is going to the upside, so that they can make here regulation and say, okay, we want the gold back from the population and we want froze the cryptos. And most of the people think, okay, the cryptos are independent, yeah, from governments, banks, and so on. No, this whole system works with banks, with governments, with regulations, and so on. Yeah? So the simple man, we just think, yeah, crypto, I'm safe, blah blah. No, all the cryptos has a surrounding, yeah, in which they are, or the stakeholder or the surrounding is full of banks, regulations, and governments. Let's look to Phantasma. Could you say to me the short name of this? People invest not in these shit coins. Why you invest in this? What is Phantasma? I heard this the first time here. Yeah, of course, you get here. You have here a lot of losers because you can see this is a stretching of this formation to the upside to $3. Of course, this will fall here to 15 cent. Yeah. So this is not a good crypto. So I hope you can hear me. So the live stream is okay. So we're looking here to this phantasma, that you see what performance your crypto has, and that's the reason why I say to you, come and evolve performance membership. There I will never present this like shit here, shit coins. I give you there cryptos that has really potential to the upside. Yeah. Let's look. You can see the lower price is here 23 cent, going here to 15 cent. Okay, if you invest here in the short term, then you have here a good gain, but I not like this. If you can see going to 23 cent and going to 15 cent. This is a difference nearly, let me look, 27, yeah, 50% or 100% of this here. So the risk that we fall here to 0.001 cent is highly high or highly risk. Yeah? We have here risk that the price could fall here to 0.001 cent. Why I know this? You have to look here to this negative channel. The negative channel exists here, and you can see the negative channel goes the first step to 12 cent. We'll go and make a retest here at 28, and then the price will fall to these levels here. Yeah. Then more sideways movement will happen, and we will go more sideways, test this level and so on. Yeah, we have to go out of this negative channel, and this will take maybe to end of 2022. Next year, I think we will get a little bit positive vibes or positive signs that the price make something like that. And then 2025, the price will rise to the upside. We have to look to the RSI. I see here something. Yes, you can forget this. You can forget this. Why? I say to you this trend is not good. This trend is negative. So the performance of this phantasma is maximum this $1.20. Yeah. You wait and wait here 2-4 years and nothing is happening. Yeah. And that's the reason why you should take the membership of performance, because there I can look exactly what cryptos are losers and what cryptos are really hot. So we look into the next. I will take here two and then I finish. Uh, and you can request your crypto in Evolve Profi. Let's look to this first, that you understand where you have to request. So members know this. I give you the link to this video below this live stream. Yeah, that you understand where you have to request your Wolf Profi and Wolf other things. So you can see this is a video. Yeah, I post this at 20th of May. You can see 20th of May, and below this video, you can see a lot of comments. Yeah, and you can, if you are Wolf Profi member, then you can request here below in the comment field. Yeah, and that is the routine for you. If you are Wolf Profi member, then you can see like this member, you can see here he requests the Ocean protocol. then I will make this in the Wolf Profi if the video is made or make in the future, not made. Yeah. So, and that's how you handle this the requests in the Wolf Profi membership. Yeah. Below this video, if you are a member, you can enter here. And the link to this video you can find here in the live stream below the video. I will post this. Then you can enter here as Wolf Profi. So the Wolf price target members, please enter your crypto, which crypto here. What's the difference between Wolf Profi and Wolf price target members? You can see this here. I have here a good overview for you. So you can see the Wolf Profi members, they get the next information. The Wolf price target, this is this here, this video, they get this information. Of course, you have also the possibility to get here in the Wolf performance or in the Wolf crypto penny stocks information about the next step here. Yeah. But in this membership, you cannot request a crypto. I give you here free cryptos and I give you here free cryptos from my side. So if you want a request here exclusive cryptos to me and say, please Wolf, I want that you analyze for me, for example, XCP, then you have to make this in the Wolf price target. This is this video here. You write, if you are a Wolf price target member, then you write the crypto here below. Yeah, you can see some of them right here. So if you say, I need not one crypto, I need free crypto, then you have to request this in the Wolf Club, Wolf Exclusive Club service. You write me in Twitter and yeah, you can choose 4 cryptos and pay for free. Wolf Bitcoin Club, if you take this in the YouTube channel, then you have access to all memberships. So if you say I want only the next target, then you can choose the Wolf Profi. It's not too much per month. You pay here $10 or something like that. And if you say okay, I want free, then choose here free. So we take here 2 cryptos, then I would finish. We switch to this. Okay. Now I wait for requests for you. For your crypto, I request. I wait. This is interesting. One subscriber, Acme, the name, yeah. He said, Kronos, if time please, I'm a moon boy that needs to get really checked. Why you are moon boy? Please go to the moon boy channels. Why you are here? Why you here? Why they not telling you the truth? Yeah, these moon boys, they think they know everything. Okay, you want as moon boy that I predict for you what happens here the next. Okay, I make this for you. Yeah, we accept all people here. Yeah, we make not a difference between them. So what is the short name for crow? Uh, I have this in my mind, but I forget this because I have here a lot of crow. It means crow. Now, okay. We're looking here to crow. You mean this, yeah? So let's choose here a good chart. So, Moon Boys. If you are Moon Boys, then you can call your friends. They are also Moon Boys, I think. Then they can come to my channel. Yeah, then I show them what happens. Okay, let's look here to. Okay, Let's look to Crow. Why you are interesting here at Crow? This is a crypto exchange. Okay, in my eyes, average crypto is not so hot. Yeah, but for me, is this a garbage? Yeah, this is not so interesting. But you know, the exchanges they manipulate also the market. Yeah, um, like Binance. Yeah, it's also a exchange that is not 100% correct. Yeah, um, especially the CEO of the Binance is not correct. So let's look here. Crypto.com. I think about this crypto exchange nothing. But if you want, we can analyze this very in detail. Let's look here. Horrible formation. We have here good support, or how can I say, a resistance. So for me, the retest is possible that we can make this. Yeah. But if I look to the Bitcoin price, I see this not. Yeah. So let's look. In my eyes, we test this level too much here, and this is a sign of weakness that the price is a smash here to the downside. Yeah. So this is not in my focus. My focus is that we fall here to the downside. I explain you in the Bitcoin price why we make this, because we have here already break this structure. Look here. Every blind man can see this. Only the moon boys cannot see this, but every blind man see this. Yeah, if you zoom in, then you can see clear. We broke this structure. This here. We broke the structure. For me, it's no matter if we're going here like this to the upside. Yeah, you can see we broke the structure. Um, Even if the walls stretch this here to these high levels here, in the end of the day, you will see that the price is going to the downside. Let's look how far we can go here to the downside. So let me look. Oh, this is not nice. Look here, we test this level here. We test this second time. This is the third time, and this will not hold. So 16 cent, the all-time high level is. So I would say 12 cent. Yeah, the next target is 12 cent, and you will see this structure. Yeah, keep in your mind the price. Okay, so the price could go to these levels. Look here, and that means between 10 cent, 12 cent, 11 cent, and so on. If you say to me, yeah, it has grow potential to the upside, then I would say yes, because they manipulate the market. So they have the possibility to go here to the upside. So I would say in the 2025, Crow will go to $1.20, and you can see we have here a resistance. So I think if we can break the $1, then the price will go to $3 or $4. But I say to you this very honest and very clear. They manipulate the market. Yeah, you have to be careful here. We not. This is the normal prediction, but if they manipulate the market, then you can forget this. Yeah, then we will get here no breakout, and they will make this part, this uptrend part. I make this in blue. They will make this, and you wait and wait. Is nothing is happening. You cannot see this because some of the people have no experience for this. You have to follow my channel. Then at this point, I will say to you, yes, manipulation is here, sideways. Then you have to sell. So I take one more crypto. Let's make here Monero, yeah, because this is a good crypto. I will take this and then yes, you are blinded by the moon boys. Forget the UEFA is also gangsters. What is UEFA? What is this? Yeah. Forget the World Cup. These are gangsters, gangsters, mafia. Yeah. Forget these people. They make only publishing and publicity and so on, so that you see, okay, I have to invest here and blah blah. You invest, they selling, you lose money. That's the game. So we're looking here to Monero. Important for Monero is at this level here. If Monero break this level here, then Monero is getting hot. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3 waiting. Yeah, we wait for 3. Yeah. So this is going to this, yeah, and then you know what happens here. Yeah. Do you know what happens here? We will, if this is not manipulated, then we will break this here to the upside. Let me look. Yeah, yes, we will break this to the upside, but we will get here um, something like that. So my target for Monero is 1,200, but I give you also the information. Please open your eyes. The vaults, if they make a manipulation, then they make here at this point here. And we as technical analyst and yeah, from a technical point of view, we see this at this point. Yeah. But people see this 6 months later, the price is going sideways. The moon boys predict you here that we will go here to 1,500. You invest exactly here, and the price is going to the downside. I hope I understand. I explain you this. Yeah, understand? So in my channel, I give you the information again. You get this information from my side here, that the market will fall here to the downside because due to the manipulation, you can see this, yeah, how many tests we make and so on, blah blah. And the moon boys tell you this. They tell you, I make the moon boys here pink. The moon boys tell you here that the market, these are the moon boys. They tell you the market will go here to 1,500. But in true, due to the manipulation, the price of the market is going here to this level. That's the reason why you have to look here to my channel to know what happens. This is not every time that we break here at the fourth time. You have to look to the retest. Yeah, if I look here to this level, then I see here only 2 retests. So for me, is that we have to break or we have to test this here again. So if we test this again, then we get here a W pattern here. Understand? That's the reason why it is positive. So if I say to you here something that has every time a technical aspect or technical pattern, why we have to go here to the upside. Yeah. So I think we are finished. Please share the video so that the channel can grow, and I will make maybe tomorrow a new video. And I think here's very exclusive information. Yeah. So look, if we look here to the Bitcoin price, look here, and if I predict you, look this. Oh man, man. Look here, the price of Bitcoin. Look what I predict to you. This is a video from yesterday. Please, people, wake up. I predict you. Look, you can look with your own eyes. You should not believe me. I said to you, the price is going here to the downside, upside, downside. Yeah. And look what happens here today. Here. It's getting worse. They manipulate really 100%. 100% is manipulated, the Bitcoin price. Look, sideways downtrend, downtrend, sideways downtrend. I have to start here. Did you see this? So, sideways, sideways, downtrend, downtrend. Test, test, and then big fall here. Yeah. So, and now we are staying here at these levels. I think we will make a retest and then the next fall is coming. So I'm finished. Why you they break through on the fourth time? This has a technical aspects. You have to study this over 20 years and 30 years, then you know it. Yeah. This is experience. This is not every time this is the case that we see broke of them. This is only let's explain you this. Look, you can see we have here uptrend. Yeah, and this uptrend is tested here so many times. Yeah, and one time we see this here from the technical point of view that this here is the weakest of this. Yeah, that's the reason why we break here to the downside. That has to do with the Fibonacci levels here. Look, yeah. If you reach here the red line, then danger, then huge selling orders coming. Yeah, you can see exactly at 023 or here 031 Fibonacci level luck to the downside. Yeah. So if you want to understand this really, you need really 20 years, 30 years to spend time with this shit here that you understand this. Yeah. But you have my membership if you want exactly analyze for one crypto, then you can request this, then I make for you this analyze. Okay, one subscriber asked me, I want to invest in privacy, what is the better, Monero or Dero? It's difficult to say because I have to make here really good analyze from them, both of them, then compare. Yeah. But if you want, I can look short to Dero. Monero we already look. Then I would finish. Let's look. In my eyes, both are very good. Yeah, because here you have the benefit. You are here at levels of $1 to $3 levels. Yeah, At the 6, forget the 6, they're lying to you. The real price is here between $1 and $2. And you have the possibility that the price is from going from $2 to high level here. You have more pieces. Yeah. At Monero is expensive but stable. Yeah, so I give you no financial advice. Keep this in your mind. But from the uh, pieces, yeah, with 200, or if the price falling to 780, you have here low pieces. But the performance is here, of course, from Monero. We will see here this, yeah. So, but keep really in the mind the walls manipulate extreme, yeah. So if we get here the price of 1200, then it makes sense to analyze 3 or 6 months before. Then we get here really good, um, how can I say it, end targets. Yeah. But if you analyze here 2022, this experience, it is possible, yes, to find out this. Yeah, no problem. But the vaults can manipulate, for example, not here. We make this, let's look. The vaults can manipulate extremely here. Yeah, so that the price is not going so, the price is going so. Then you wait, it's nothing's happening. So I would say I finish. See you later. Thank you for watching and have a nice evening. Thank you.